Hello everyone, it's my pawb. Where does the name for Bryn Euryn come from? So today I'm in Conwy County again, on a big hill just between Pros, Ross-on-Sea and Colwyn Bay, and it's called Bryn Euryn. Now, the name's made of two parts. Bryn, which many people know from Gavin and Stacey, means a hill. It's related to the word brawn, meaning a chest or a breast. And Euryn. Now, some people say, Joe, isn't Euryn a plum? Yes, an Euryn is a plum, but Euryn is a different word. You'll see it in the spelling. Now, the root of it is from the word aur, which means gold, with a diminutive suffix at the end. So it means a little gold piece, or a little treasure. So you could think of it as the hill of the little gold piece. Now, this isn't the original name of the hill. Originally there was a hill fort on top of it called Dinarth, which is Middle Welsh for Dinarth. Din is a fort and Arth is a bear. Now, there's not much left of it, but there are some remains of the earthworks, which you can kind of just about make out here behind me. Now, this name connects it with a certain guy called Cinlas of Rhos, or in Latin, Cuneglasus. And in the year 540, the historian Gildas calls him one of the tyrants of the island of Britain, up there with Vortigern and the like, and Maelgwn. So, for a time, this was a pretty big power centre after the collapse of the Roman Empire. Now, later on, in the 12th century, a llys was built at the bottom of Bryn Euryn called Llys Euryn. It was built by Ednyfed Vychan, who was a famous Welsh warrior from Welsh history. Now, he was the Cynghellwr, the Prime Minister, sort of, to Llywelyn Fawr, Wales's greatest king. So you can imagine the importance that this place had in history. Eventually, however, it was burnt down by Owain Glyndwr's forces in his rebellion in the 1400s. And here from the top of it, you can see why it was a good place to have a fortification. You can see all the way to Llandudno, over this way. Behind me this way, it goes all the way over to the Conwy River, so you can guard the pass, the main way across that river. And then behind me over here, you can see all the way down the coast. And it's all linked up, there's hill forts all the way around the horizon here. Anyway, share it to people you know in the area, drop us a like, and deal, subscribe for more.